Hello, my name is Miss Carol from the Killingly Public Library, and I'm here today to make a beverage for you. It's a superhero sipper, and it's the third in a series of beverages that I've made for you on YouTube. The recipes come from this book, Superhero Cookbook. Don't forget the official DC Superhero Cookbook. And it has not just beverages, you can get food items in here as well. And this book is from the Killingly Public Library. And today we're going to make the Aquaman ice cream float. There it is. And it says up here in the bubble, Aquaman loves things that float. The ingredients: a small bottle, about 12 ounces of orange soda, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and a package of Swedish fish. I'll show you all those shortly. So the first thing we're going to do to make our Aquaman ice cream float is we took a glass. You can pick any cup you want, but I'd suggest a tall one. And you add ice to about halfway, right about there. I don't know if you can see. There you go. So it's not to the tippity top. And the recipe says that the ice is important. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to add soda. Now, when I went out, I could not find the small bottle of soda, so I had to buy a very large bottle of orange soda. And I didn't want it to spill all over the place, so I'm going to try pouring it into a measuring cup. So let's see what happens. I might even stand up. All right, you may not see me for a moment, but you'll see the soda. I'm gonna do a little less than half a cup. Let's see. Well, we'll do that. All right, let's try that first, and I can always add some more. So let's see, we're gonna add the orange soda. There it goes, and it says to do for the soda almost to the top. So you can see I still have some space. Oh, I have a little bit left when I use it. There we go. That wasn't so hard. And then it says, my favorite part, add a scoop of ice cream. And you can choose any flavor you want. Maybe like a raspberry sherbet or something might be interesting in here, but I'm going to use vanilla ice cream. And I softened it a little so I wouldn't have to struggle with the scooper. So I'm going to take my vanilla ice cream and my ice cream scoop. This is my favorite one from home. And I'm going to scoop up a pretty good sized amount. I hope it doesn't go over the top. Here it comes. Oh, look at that. A big scoop of vanilla ice cream. Uh-oh, it's gonna be close. That is fun. And it says to mix it a bit. So I think I'm gonna take my straw first and just drink some of the orange soda so it lowers the level. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Okie dokies, here we go. And it says you can stir it. I have this really cool long spoon, so I'm going to use that. You could probably use your straw to stir it. You could use a chopstick to stir it. That would definitely work. Uh-oh. Good thing I put a little bit of paper towel because it's coming over the top a little. There we go. And now, it finally says to let the ice cream melt a little bit. And I did. I let it soften earlier. And it says you can add your straw and then the Swedish fish. Now there's two kinds that I found. I found this box of Swedish fish and it's all red and I love those. But then I found Swedish fish tails, 2 flavors in one. So I decided on that instead. So let me see if I can find a few of these. They're pretty cool. Ooh, let's see. All right, look at that. This is going to make my Aquaman ice cream float look super cool. So, and they're different flavors, and it tells you on the bag This is raspberry mango, blue raspberry strawberry, watermelon pineapple, and I think that's the 3 flavors. So you can do all kinds of things. You can sink one down into your drink, into your float. You can have them sit on the ice cream and have a little fun with it like I just did. See that? Let's do a watermelon one too. Maybe they can swim together. It's like a school of fish. So you can see them both. Will that work? So you can put as many as you want in there, because when you get to the bottom of your Aquaman ice cream float, then you can eat all the Swedish fish that sunk to the bottom and maybe get a spoon and enjoy all the ice cream as well. So let's see. I'm going to take a final sip of my ice cream, and then here we go. All right, and that's been in the orange soda. Oh, that's really good. And it's going to be warm this weekend, so perfect. And you can even take one of these fish. I'm not going to right now because then I'll be mumbling because I'll have a mouth full of fish. So check out YouTube for Superhero Super Sippers from the official DC Superhero Cookbook from the Killingly Public Library. Thanks for watching.